Everyone wants to treat their mom like the queen that she is on Mother's Day. If you are planning to treat mom with a lavish breakfast in bed on Mother's Day, Kim Dunn from Molly Maid is here with some essential hacks.
Yes,
I'm looking forward to this.
All right, good stuff. Well, it's Mom's special day, so
yes.
we want to make something a little elevated, a little special for her. So let's start. What's the basic thing that we need? We absolutely need a tray. Sturdy legs, okay? Something really important is make sure we have a lip or an edge here in case we have a little bit of a spillage. Yeah. Everything is going to be contained. But if you don't happen to have the tray, what you can do is use a charcuterie board. Yeah. Anything you find around the house. There you go. You're just gonna make it look pretty.
Zhuzh it up, right?
Yes, exactly. And in worst case scenario, use a cutting board. Just throw something down. No lip on that, so a little more. I mean, again, everything, you know, when you're laying in bed is a little shaky. Okay, so what are we gonna put on our plate? We want to make sure the food is easy to eat and elevated, again, just for mom. So something that's really big right now is yogurt parfaits, chia puddings.
Right.
So all we've done, is we've just taken a layer of berries, we've put some yogurt in there, and again, elevated it. There's a little mango, there's a little mint there.
It looks fun.
Just making it look really pretty.
Yeah.
So another couple other ways that we can kind of make this elevated is to have either our, whatever we're having, ketchup or any type of sauce.
Maple syrup or whatever, yeah.
You don't really want the maple syrup in the bed, just saying.
Okay.
Is to use these little containers. They're great, easy for mom. We have a little spoon here for her. So what food-wise, sorry, I'm jumping here. Food-wise, we want to make sure we have something that's easy to eat.
Yes.
Again, no maple syrup. Frittatas, quiches, everything, lovely.
Yeah.
Single servings will stay warmer longer, okay?
Good idea.
And just sets it up nicely on the plate. We've done a couple skewers here as well, super easy to eat. Think elevated picnic.
Yeah.
Okay. We put a little mint there so that we have a nice, just looking
nice
a little
garnish,
prettier. And what else do we need to elevate it? Cloth napkin.
Yes.
It's just something that we don't use that much anymore, and again, elevates it. Okay, flowers. Who doesn't love flowers?
Mom does.
Let's put them on there.
Okay, boom.
And if you don't happen to have flowers, if you forgot to get some flowers, look around your house. You may have
cacti.
You might have a cacti sitting around somewhere.
Right.
Anyway, I always save these containers.
Okay.
So we get the flowers. Uh-oh, flower pollen.
Yes, no one wants that.
Nobody wants that. White bedspread. Okay.
All right.
Super easy way.
We're entering into hack mode.
Yeah, sorry. We have to throw in a hack or two here. Okay.
Okay, so you have
we're gonna
Pinterest
take
tape.
it. Yeah. So as you can see, you've got the pollen and the stamens that are there. Do not rub. You will stain. Absolutely will stain.
Right.
Very lightly.
Look at that.
Picks it right up. And you have saved the staining.
Nice. I love that.
All right. Coffee, tea, we don't want to have it in a high container.
Right.
We want a low center of gravity, as everything on here has a low center of gravity.
Keep it safe for mom.
It's not going to be tipping around. So what we can do, we've got a lovely little cup. This can be part of her gift. We get a little expression on there. So we're going to put that on there. So we've kind of got everything that we need for the meal.
Yeah, looks great. It looks tasty. Mom's gonna love it.
Yeah. Okay, so this can be part of her gift as well. Okay. Turkish towels are trending really big right now. They are super absorbent. They're thin. They can be used in so many ways. We're thinking you're just going to kind of put it over mom's lap before you put the tray down.
Right.
Any of the little crumbs that we
so if you're getting a little too crummy with your breakfast, it's going to catch it. Look at that.
There we go.
Wow.
So this could just get shaken out, no problem. Mom can also throw it over her shoulders, wear it as a pashmina. You can use it as a beach blanket. They are wonderful.
So for all the dads out there thinking, where do I get a Turkish
Online
towel?
Is where I ordered mine from.
Boom. Problem solved.
Now, the single most important thing you can give your mother.
You've made breakfast, you've taken breakfast to bed, but now it's time for the
kitchen cleanup. Please, please, please. This is from my heart. Clean the kitchen up. Okay, well, stuff is cooking. It's so easy to make sure everything gets put into the sink. You want to take your multi-purpose. Did we just talk about this? You want to give it a quick spray down on your stove. If you've used your microwave, if you've heated the bacon up in there, what you want to do is you want to give that a clean out. This is going to be the biggest present that you can give mom, is walking into a super shiny
You
kitchen.
don't want mom enjoying her breakfast in bed, coming down to the kitchen or getting to the kitchen thinking, now I got to clean this up. No!
This is the favorite part.
Yeah, and the family can take part in this as well.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Maybe even Dad can look after this.
I think that should be Dad's responsibility. Thank you so much for coming in and giving us some Mom's Day breakfast in bed hacks. More Morning Live coming up after the break. Good morning.